Good afternoon everyone, this is Shravya of EEE and our team name is Stalin. We are performing an activity based on sounds ch, che, o, on, ch, pleasure, a, egg, sing.
Good afternoon, Vanessa. This is Jyotsna. My songs are ha, house, sha, she, ka, can, ja, just, I, my.
Good afternoon to Honda. My name is Pushpansti. My 5 words are good, wool, part, a, pen, fan. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Karthik and my sounds are armor, answer, a, sit, drill, shadow, sing. Thank you.
My name is Junior and Dinesh. I am performing some sounds. Sa, she, sa, shadow, oo, suicide, e, sneak, oo, upper.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself Kumar Prasad. I am practicing some words. Under, air, at, e, either.
Good afternoon. This is Prasad. My songs are cha, chair, ja, just, ka, ga, go, answer.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Satya Babu. My sounds are ga, egg, under, answer, e, inner, e, east.
Good afternoon, Amita. This is Mukundra. I am pronouncing or, ago, full, wood, wool, there, there.